All right, so you have now loaded your template into Showit, and I'm going to show you where you can edit your color palettes and make changes to your fonts and all the design settings that you need. So you're going to click on this area that says Site. There's Site Settings. We're going to go down to Design Settings. So what is going to pop up here are the preloaded fonts that are included with your template, which you can change. You can also upload your own fonts here. And there's some instructions from Showit on how to change those to a .woff font file, which is what you need if you want to add in a font that is not included in Google Fonts. If you want to add a Google font, which is free, you can search for it here and add it in that way. But we're going to keep the fonts for this example because I think they'll still work well with the color change that we're going to implement here. So you can click on each color and you can add in the hex code, or you can play around and change it this way. You can use this bar here to find your colors. We're actually going to pull in colors from a document we created for this specific template change. And we're just going to add those colors in by copying and pasting the hex codes like so. And some people like to do this by darkest to lightest. It's totally up to you how you want to do it. All right, so those colors are in. This is the palette we're going to go with, and we can actually edit each of the specific title colors, fonts, sizes, all right here in this Type Styles panel. So we're going to keep the black text as is for our title. For heading, I like it this dark purple, but this blue is a little bit light on white, so I think we might change it to our lighter purple and you can see it a little bit better. You always want to find that right contrast, and we're going to leave this here as well. So that is basically how you make changes. Again, you can change margins, the text align, the letter case, so for like subheadings, we've got that all in upper cases. You can change the spacing between your sentences there. If you ever need to reset your settings, you can click this button here, and we're going to make sure that we click Save. So as you can see, the colors have already changed based on what we had implemented.